Today, I'm going to give an overview of Porsche Voice Pilot. Porsche Voice Pilot is a feature available on Porsches that allows you to communicate with the car's system with your voice instead of actually touching the buttons. What this allows for more distracted, free driving. What I will do first is go to my settings and go to voice control and make sure that online voice recognition is checked for best accuracy. I can also activate by saying, "Hey Porsche." Now what this will allow is for me to just say those words and the car will start listening to me. Alternatively, I could press this button right here and this will activate the voice function. So, for example, "Hey Porsche, take me to Red Rock Canyon Visitor Center."
Red Rock Canyon Visitor Center in Las Vegas. Would you like to start route guidance?
Yes.
Starting your route guidance.
Other ways I can use this is by saying, "Hey Porsche, I'm cold."
It will be warmer soon.
And as simple as that, the climate has changed in my car. There are various other features that you can use with this, so please explore and check them out.